Okay, so
we're gonna wait.
This is how you make a simple needle intake. So I be taking apart my regular one because I do not know how to make it. Wait, actually I do. So first you get a piece like this, okay? So you make it like this. It's a 2x12. No, stop it. I'm not kidding. Okay, sorry about my little helper. He's gonna be like away soon. And then next, you get another piece like this, but it's a 2x12, but with only one. Now you also put these on like this. Okay, so now you attach them like magic.
I'll just be taking this.
Okay, go ahead. Okay, so after you do this, you have to like be awesome, and then make another one like this with one of these, the 2x12, and then make it like this time, maybe, yeah, like this. And then basically you probably know what to do. If you don't, I don't know, I don't care. Okay,
but you're gonna end up with is like this.
Okay, so
it looks like a corn dog.
No, it doesn't. It looks like a hot dog. I'm just kidding. I don't know.
No, it doesn't. You want to argue about this? I'm the best at arguing about corn dogs and hot dogs.
Okay, that was the Fat Man. If you don't know about the Fat Man, well, yeah, it's very sad.
I am the greatest superhero of all time.
After you connect all of them, it's very easy. All you have to do is just slide it. Oh, God. Oh, God. God. What did you do with my intake? You took it away. I'm just kidding. Okay, so after you have it like this, this, and this, you want to do this. You can just pick up rings like these. Hey, you're making it fall down.
Here.
So basically,
there's a training hole right here. I'm sorry, but here's the other part to it that I took apart.
So you have to go on the ground, and then it picks up. And then to release it, all you have to do is go on top of a pole and just, I don't know. Oh, my friend is, like, the Fat Man is messing with everybody. So he's gonna, so all you have to do is tap, and now the Fat Man can come over. Come, Fat Man. Okay, our Fat Man is here. Oh, that's the Fat Man.